In modern warfare, unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, like India's Ghatak and Turkey's Thai Anka-3, are game changers. The Ghatak, developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organization, aims to be a stealthy force multiplier for the Indian Air Force. Turkey's Thai Anka-3, building on its predecessors, showcases Turkey's growing drone industry. Both UCAVs highlight the shift towards stealth, autonomy, and precision in aerial combat. Their development signals a new era of unmanned warfare, emphasizing stealth and precision. The Ghatak and Anka-3, while both designed for modern warfare, have distinct technical specifications. The Ghatak's stealth design minimizes radar detection, with an estimated wingspan of 16 meters and a payload capacity of around 2 tons. The Anka-3, with a wingspan of 21 meters, prioritizes endurance and payload capacity, carrying up to 1.2 tons. The Anka-3 boasts an impressive endurance of over 30 hours, compared to the Ghatak's 24 hours. The Ghatak's top speed is around Mach 0.8, while the Anka-3 reaches up to 250 kilometers per hour. Both UCAVs operate at high altitudes, with the Ghatak reaching 45,000 feet and the Anka-3 30,000 feet. Both the Ghatak and Anka-3 are equipped with advanced sensor systems for reconnaissance and target acquisition. The Ghatak features an active electronically scanned array radar and an electro-optical infrared sensor turret for high-resolution imagery. The Anka-3 uses the Aselsan CATS system, combining a daylight camera, thermal imaging, and a laser designator. These sensor systems enhance situational awareness and precision targeting in modern warfare. Communication and control systems are crucial for UCAV operations. The Ghatak likely uses satellite communication, SATCOM, for beyond line of sight BLUS control, and incorporates anti-jamming measures. The Anka-3 utilizes a line of sight LOS data link with a range of up to 250 kilometers and can also be equipped with SATCOM for extended missions. Both UCAVs emphasize secure and resilient communication systems to maintain operational effectiveness. Robust communication ensures mission success in contested environments. The Ghatak and Anka-3 are tailored to meet the strategic needs of their respective nations. India's Ghatak is designed for stealth and deep strike missions, ideal for penetrating defended airspace and neutralizing high-value targets. Turkey's Anka-3 supports a wide range of missions, from surveillance to precision strikes, making it valuable in counter-terrorism and counter-insurgency operations. The Ghatak's advanced sensors provide critical intelligence, while the Anka-3's versatility ensures real-time situational awareness. Both UCAVs reflect their nation's strategic priorities and operational requirements. The Ghatak and Anka-3 represent the future of aerial warfare, where unmanned systems play a key role. The Ghatak's stealth and deep strike capabilities highlight the need to penetrate defended airspace and deliver precision strikes. The Anka-3's multi-role versatility meets the demand for adaptable unmanned platforms in complex environments. The proliferation of advanced UCAVs raises questions about the future of warfare and the need for international regulations. As drone technology advances, the battlefield becomes more complex and contested.